Today for reading, we are on week 3, day 12. Our topic is physical science, rainbows. When you are done with the link Take Me There, there's a video about rainbows in the sky and a drawing activity that you can do. After you press on Take Me There, you can watch the story. Our nonfiction story is The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. And then you can read the book. Our nonfiction book is All the Colors of the Rainbow. You can also press Watch the Story here for The Dot or read the book here for All the Colors of the Rainbow. When you're done with that, you can do the puzzlers, word match, and which came first. And then you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you are done, it is important for you to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. When you're done with that, make sure to do your phonics lesson and turn it in. It is also important for you to practice your reading with either books you have at your house or on Epic Books. Happy reading!